Sharing Camtasia presets between machines and got a TSCX export file. This format carries Camtasia configuration data between installations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import these TechSmith Camtasia Studio export files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical TSCX data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. TSCX files are export files created by TechSmith Camtasia Studio containing exported configuration data, such as themes, presets, keyboard shortcuts, library items, or production settings. They allow Camtasia users to share configurations between installations, transfer settings to new machines, or distribute team standard presets across an organization. TSCX export files use a structured format defined by Camtasia Studio storing serialized configuration data, including theme definitions, preset parameters, production templates, and library content references. The format ensures consistent import across compatible Camtasia versions, preserving styling parameters and user-configured production settings during transfer. For managing TSCX files, the best dedicated software is TechSmith Camtasia Studio from TechSmith. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows provides a textual interface to config files, but modifications demand caution. Let's find the winning application. Right-click your TSCX file and select Open With. If TechSmith Camtasia Studio is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. If you still cannot open your TSCX file, that is okay. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your TSCX file from opening correctly. First, importing into Camtasia. Open Camtasia Studio and access the relevant settings area, such as themes, presets, or library. Use the import option and select the TSCX file. Camtasia loads the exported configuration, making themes, presets, or library items available within the application for use in your video editing projects. Next, verifying Camtasia version. Confirm the Camtasia version matches the version that created the TSCX file. Significant version differences may prevent import or cause partial loading of settings. Update Camtasia to the latest version or check TechSmith documentation for cross-version compatibility notes regarding TSCX export and import operations. Finally, backup before import. Before importing a TSCX file, create a backup of your current Camtasia configuration by exporting your existing themes, presets, or library to a separate TSCX file. This safety step allows reverting if the imported settings conflict with your current preferences or cause unexpected behavior in your Camtasia projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.